Listen now, equations with brackets. I'm not doing section 7.1. You've got to look at the foundation videos, get that done for yourself. It's important you get up to grade C. Having said that, on 7.2 page 71 I'll look at some of these little brackets that make equations and stuff. So I'll do two of the hardest ones on question 2. Here's the first one I've got for you. It's work in yellow, nice and bright. It says here 3 lots of y minus 4, add on 2 lots of 4y minus 2, that will come to 6. So break it all open. 3y minus 12 plus 2 lots of 4y, 8y, 2 2's are 4 but it's negative, all comes to 6. Let's do the y's now. We got 3y plus 8y, that's called 11y, and we've got minus 12, take away 4 again, takes us to minus 16, and that comes to 6. So we got 11y is going to be 6 plus the 16, so 11y is going to be 22. If we divide by 11, we've got y is 2, and that was question 2k. I'm going to do this one now. No, I'm not, it's too easy. Let's do 2j just to do one more of that kind of ilk. So 6 lots of 2 plus 3x comes to 11x plus 5. Okay, break open the brackets. We got 12 plus 18x, I believe. Yep, equals 11x plus 5. Get the x's to me. So 18x, take away this 11x, equals the 5, which is not moved, and then we're going to take away the 12 on the other side. What have we got? We've got 7x equals minus 7. 5 take away 12 is minus 7, so x is going to be minus 7 over 7 minus 1. Alright, peasy. Now, I've got some of these things with stars and asterisks and all that sort of thing by them. I'll do question 6, it looks like the hardest one of the lot. So here's the question 6. 2 multiplied by q take away 9 minus, open bracket, 7q minus 3, close bracket, add on 25, that should all come to 0. We'll see, shall we? Alright, break open the bracket, multiply out. So 2q minus 18, 2 9s are 18, minus 1 times 7, well that's minus 7q, and minus 1 times minus 3, please be careful, is positive 3. Minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. Now add on the 25, that should come to 0. Simplify it up a little bit. We've got 2q take away 7q, that's called minus 5q's, and just to highlight the numbers, we've got minus 18 plus 3 takes us to minus 15 so far. When we add on the 25, we go up to positive 10. Alright, so I've got minus 5q plus 10 equals 0. Let's lose the 10 next door, subtract. Minus 5q is going to be minus 10. Simply divide by minus 5 and get a lovely answer of positive 2. Alright, very, very nice indeed. Turning over to 7.3 on page 73. I'll do some of the grade C ones, but not too many. It involves fractions. I think I'll do I. So this is 1i 73. It says here 2y minus 7. When I divide by 5, my answer is going to be 3. Well, if I'm dividing by 5, take it next door and multiply. It brings everything on the level now. So 3 5s are 15. Very simple grade E equation. And minus 7 next door. Add it. So 15 plus 7. So 2y 22. Single y 11. Very nice. Turning over. Let's do what looks like the toughest one there. Right then, not really hard. So y over 2 minus y over 8 equals 3. So half of y plus an eighth of a y is 3. Well, lowest common multiple, common denominator of 2 and 8 is of course 8. So I've got 4y over 8. Look, that makes a half. Minus y over 8 equals 3. What have we got? We've got 3 y's over 8 comes to 3. Take this over and multiply. 3y is 24, dividing by 3. 24 over 3, y is 8. Very, very nice. There's a question that stands alone. It stands alone. Let's give it its own space, shall we? It's all about Ed and Gary. So they have got this equation, and they've got to solve it and they've each got an answer. Now Ed gets an answer of y is -2, and Gary gets an answer of y equals -3. And I've got to see which one works. Right, the best way to do it is if I put -2 into the y, let's see what we get. So 4 lots of -2, take away 3, divided by 5. We have got, that's going to be -8 minus 3, be -11 divided by 5, which is -2, and 1 left over, -2 and a fifth. Now, if -2 and a fifth works for this side as well, then Ed's got it right. So let's try it out then. So we've got 2 lots of -2, then add 3. I can see this ain't going to work. So 2 times -2 is -4, add on 3, and we're going to get -1. Clearly these are not the same, so that and that doesn't work. So straight away I know that Gary's got it right, but let me prove it anyway, then we'll feel better about that. So let's see what Gary can do. So we've got 4 lots of -3, that's Gary's idea, then take away 3, divide by 5. What does that give us? That gives us -12 minus 3, -15 divided by 5 is -3 as it goes. And let's just see, if we get -3 on this side, we can make a match. So 2 lots of Gary's -3 plus 3, that gives us 2 minus 3 is -6, add on 3, and we've got -3. There's a match. Therefore congratulations to Gary, he can have a house point or whatever, have a day off. Let's make it official. So I'm going to stop there with the basic equations. I've done 7.2, half of 7.3. I'm not bothering with 7.1. You bother with it rather. Go and look at the videos. I'm going to study these grade B things and come back to you quite soon. Alright, see you soon.